everyone, it's JoJo and welcome to a Beyblade burst battle featuring 3D printed Beyblades and upgrades. On the left, we have Immortal, Phoenix, Outer Extend Plus, and on the right, we have my own 3D printed Beyblade, JYNX Ouroboros, Zero Venom, Atomic. And for those who don't know about my 3D printed Beyblade, it is dual spin and it weighs just a little over 100 grams. So first, it'll be in right spin and then we'll switch over to left. 3, 2, 1, go. And a burst finish. 2 points to Immortal Phoenix. 3, 2, 1, go. And a knockout. 1 more point to Immortal Phoenix. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, and another one. Immortal Phoenix only needs 1 more point to win. 3, 2, 1, go. And that's a double burst. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, and I got destroyed by Immortal Phoenix. Yeah, not doing pretty good. But it is a dual spin Beyblade, so let's switch up the rotation and see if it'll do better in left spin. And we'll do this battle all over again. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, came back in. But let's see where this battle goes. Let's see if JYNX Ouroboros will be able to spin steal. Ooh, I'm actually gonna give that one to Immortal Phoenix. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I'm the only one getting knocked out. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no! My chip fell off. But let's see where it goes. Oh, and the armor actually came off. That's never happened before. Let's just see where this goes. Ah, and Immortal Phoenix still wins. 3, 2, 1, go. Man, I'm the only one getting knocked out again. 3, 2, 1, go. Finally, JYNX Ouroboros gets a point for the KO. 3, 2, 1, go. And another one. 1 more point to JYNX Ouroboros. 3, 2, 1, go. And JYNX Ouroboros was not able to make a comeback. Your winner is Immortal Phoenix. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and I will see you next time with more. See you soon.